How's it going, everyone? Today I'm going to show you how to use Canva to make some extra money. I know a lot of you use Canva and are pretty handy at it, so here are 5 different ways to use your skills to generate passive income. If you've never used Canva before, feel free to check out my other videos and subscribe to this channel for a ton of easy to follow tutorials that will teach you Canva in no time. So let's get into 5 easy ways to use Canva to earn passive income. Number 1. Sell social media graphics on Fiverr. There are a lot of small companies and entrepreneurs that can't afford full-time marketing personnel or don't have the time to do it themselves. So one idea is to provide social media marketing to them for a fee. You can promote your services on a website called Fiverr, where there is an established marketplace of willing buyers. If we go on Fiverr and search for social media content, we can see this guy is selling 15 social media posts for £35, all the way up to £83 for 35 posts. If we look at his designs, these can all be made in Canva. I don't know what software he uses in particular, but you can easily do a similar thing. He's got over 300 reviews and has 2 orders in the queue, so there is money on the table ready for him to collect. This shows that there is a market there and people are willing to pay for posts. Even if you just type in Canva, you can see people offering design services like this. I will design anything in Canva. This one has 150 reviews. Another one, I will design social media posts, ads, Canva templates. This one has 242 reviews. As you can see, he's got a lot of decent feedback and he's charging a decent amount for his work. Again, this shows that there are willing buyers for this and you can make money with this. I'll put a link to Fiverr in the description if you want to sign up. Business idea number 2 is to sell t-shirts designed in Canva. Another easy way to use your Canva skills is to sell clothing and merch with print-on-demand websites. Companies like Teespring allow you to upload your own designs made in Canva and then sell them on their platform. They take care of the stock, printing, shipping and customer service, then give you a cut of the sales. What you need to do is create your designs, add them to products, set up your store and then promote your store. So you need to drive traffic to your store in order to gain sales. You can easily create designs for a range of products, not just t-shirts. For example, you can create hoodies, socks, phone cases and more. If we take a look at some of the designs on Teespring, you can see there's a lot of t-shirts on here. They are really basic, especially these slogan tees. If you can come up with witty or funny slogans, you can easily create the text in Canva, export the PNG and then upload the design to Teespring. The process is easy. The hard part is designing good gear that sells. A third way to generate money using Canva is to design and sell printables on a website like Etsy. Printables are basically digital products that people can download and print. Normally these are in a PDF format, so you don't have to worry about shipping. You create them once and can sell them an infinite number of times with no additional costs. Examples of printables are wall art, lesson plan templates, printed password sheets, business plan templates, travel planners, or anything you want really. I mean, this works for anything that you can print off on a piece of paper. Have a look at what other people are doing and you can get some ideas from there. I know 2020 was a great year for Etsy and saw them grow tremendously, so the number of people using the platform is increasing. So now might be a good time to get in there and offer their users something they might want. The 4th way to make money from Canva is YouTube tutorials. This is my method of choice. As you can see, I create quick and easy to understand tutorials on how to use Canva. I post them on YouTube and generate revenue in 2 ways. One is via AdSense, which is ads shown on the videos, and the second is affiliate commissions from recommending products or services, including Canva Pro. Basically, these companies such as Canva pay me a cut every time someone pays for their product or pays for an upgrade using a link I provided. The good thing about this is that anyone can do it. I don't have any additional skills that you can't get. I just record my screen and voice like this, make some cuts in a video editor and then publish. It's a really simple process. The ease of use is one of the reasons I decided to go into it in the first place. I know my time is limited from my full-time job and other commitments, so I just wanted something where I can sit down for an hour, plan it out, record, cut, post and go. And then if anything happens and it generates money, that's a bonus. If not, no worries, I'll carry on with my life. The thing is with this one, you will need patience and consistent effort, as you can only get monetized once your channel hits 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. This sounds daunting at first, but if you keep publishing videos, you realize these numbers can be achieved once you have a few videos that start to gain traction. I managed to reach these requirements after 1 year and 4 months, and after I published around 50 videos. I have a day job, so all these videos are made in my spare time in the evenings and weekends. Fifth idea, which might be something I'll go into later on, is online courses. You can generate passive income by creating and selling online courses that you've made in Canva. You can literally use Canva to create ebooks to teach people about a specific topic. You don't even have to be an expert in it. For example, you could create a beginner's guide on your chosen subject to help introduce people to the topic who know absolutely nothing about it. Canva can be used to create a course material, much like a slideshow presentation. Again, if you wanted to make a video, you could record your screen and do a voiceover, then edit it together. You could make the entire video in Canva, as they have their own video editing options. However, it's probably easier to use a dedicated video editor like Final Cut Pro or Premiere Pro. These are paid options, however there are free ones out there like DaVinci Resolve, Shotcut, HitFilm Express or Lightworks. I didn't want to make this video too long, so I'm just scratching the surface here, but I am planning on making tutorials on video editing and creating online courses. I'll also be doing tutorials on how to create ebooks in Canva, so look out for those and subscribe so you don't miss anything. So there you go, 5 ideas on how to use Canva to make money. Let me know if you have any other ideas that people could try, or if you do any of these yourself. Also, don't forget to smash the like button as always and subscribe to keep up to date with the latest videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.